Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a cute pumpkin dressed up like a witch. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the side of our pumpkin. I'm going to start right here and draw a curved line going down and around. And then I'm going to start right here and draw another curved line. And then one more. This one's going to be like a U shape for the center of our pumpkin. All right, now let's draw the other side. So this is going to curve up. And then this one's going to curve all the way up to meet where the first line was. Next, let's draw our hat. So I'm going to start on the left side of our pumpkin and draw a curved line and connect the other side. And then let's draw an angled line down and another one on the right side. And then we can connect those two with a U-shaped line. All right, now we can draw the top part of our hat. I'm going to start on the left side and I'm going to draw a line that goes in just a little bit, and same on the right. And then this line I'm going to bring up. And you see how it goes past this first line I did? It's going to go up and then curve down. And then I'm going to curve it all the way around like that. Then I'm going to start here at this point and follow that line all the way back. And it's going to get a little bit bigger each time. See how that gets wider as we get closer to the base of the hat? And then we'll connect it right there. All right, pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to draw the buckle of the hat. So I'm going to start right here and draw a line connecting it to the other side. And then inside of this, we're going to draw a rectangle. And an even smaller rectangle. All right, and next let's draw our pumpkin's face. I'm going to start on the right side and draw a big circle with a smaller circle inside. And then the left eye, I'm going to make my pumpkin wink. So we're going to draw a U shape like that. And then we can give it little eyelashes and a smile. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.